Hello my dear friends, welcome to Learn SAP FICO. Friends, today we are going to discuss about new topic that is FIMM integration. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and share the videos with your friends. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification of all my coming videos. So let's start today's session. First of all, the question which is in your mind, that what is FIMM integration? So in FIMM integration, we determine or assign inventory related GLs which system picks automatically during procurement or production process, and goods issue for sale from the configurations. So procurement to payment cycle, that is P2P cycle, I already explained in my previous videos. Today I'll just want to tell you something more about procurement to pay cycle, because it is a main part of FIMM integration. So the process is the first step: purchase requisition creation. The T code ME51N, that is known as PR also. First of all, we create the purchase requisition under the T code ME51N. After approving the PR by the approving authority, will approve the PR and release the PR by the T code ME54N. I have mentioned here also, ME54N is the T code by which we release the PR. PR means purchase requisition, which we have created in a ME51N. Then if vendor is not available for supply, then follow the below steps. These are the steps when vendor is not available for supply. So we directly cannot create the PO. First of all, we have to raise the inquiry in the market by the T code ME41. Then we will receive the quotation from the vendors. After that, maintenance of quotation under the T code ME47. We will maintain the quotations, and then comparison of quotation with the T code ME49. After comparison of quotation, we will select the vendor and vendor details received in predefined format, and then we will create a vendor into SAP by the T code FK01 or XK01. The difference between FK01 and XK01 I already explained at the time of vendor creation, so I am not going into that. The next step is purchase order creation. We will create a PO with reference to PR by the T code ME21N. We will create the purchase order by the T code ME21N with reference to purchase requisition. And purchase order will be created the procurement department. Who will create the purchase order? The procurement department will create the purchase order. But as a FI consultant, you should know the whole process, because in an interview time also they can ask to you the P2P cycle. So you should know each and every step of the process. So the major information to be selected in the PO is These are the information which is selected into the PO, like company code, plant, location, purchase organization, purchasing group, purchasing person, vendor code, payment terms, material code, material quantity, material price, delivery plant and delivery rate, and related information about the taxation like GST, and description of the material which you are going to procure. So these are the major information which will be selected in a PO, and we will create the PO through ME21N is the T code to create a PO. Now we will talk about, apart from above, we select the AAC. What is the mean by AAC? Account assignment category. I already explained in my previous video. Today I am giving you the short description. Apart from the above select, we will select the AAC into the PO. Apart from these information, we will select the AAC relevant to your material, like AAC. What is the AAC? AAC is a single character code which is selected in a PO line item to determine the GL account. Either it is inventory or expense account or fixed asset account during the goods receipt. Selected into PO. We will select in a PO. Now we will talk about the types of account assignment category. What are the types of account assignment category and their usage? So first of all, the first one is AAC if it is blank. Account assignment category if a first is blank, then it means we are going to procure material. In that case, we select the material code and quantity in a PO. If your AAC is blank, so it is means to you are going to procure a material, and in that case we will select the material code and material quantity into the PO. And next type of AAC is K. K means your cost center. So it means we are going to procure a consumable material. What is consumable material? I hope you all know. The goods which we consume, we are not going to for a further process. So it means we are going to procure the consumable material. In that case, we select the expense GL to be debited during MIGO. MIGO, the T code which we use at the time of goods receipt, and the cost center in a PO. So in this case, we will select the cost center in a PO and expense GL. So next account assignment type is A, and it is for asset. This account assignment type A we will select in a PO. It means we are going to procure the fixed asset. In this case, we select the asset description and asset number into a PO, which we are going to debit it at the time of MIGO. MIGO means your goods receipt. If AAC is S, it means your services in a PO. So it means we are going to procure a services. In that case, we select the service material code and quantity of a service in a PO. Service expense account will be debited during MIGO. And next is if AAC is P. P means project specific material into PO. So it means we are going to procure the project material, project project specific material. In that case, we select the project specific material code and quantity into a PO, and project specific material GL will be debited during MIGO. So after creation of PO, it will be approved by the approving authority. So these are the information which we enter into the PO by the procurement department. But as a FI consultant, you should know each and every step of the process. So friends, today we have discussed this much. In a next video, we will talk about the further steps.